What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I know in the last video we were working on the G. The differential was, topic of discussion. Well, we finally got that axle stub out and we're able to more or less diagnose that the actual carrier was bad. I checked all the axles, they're good. Whenever I went to try and spin the axle stubs in the carrier itself, I couldn't really get any movement out of them, but I know something was broke because it was just annihilating one tire. So I went ahead and I just ruled out all possibilities, and I wound up just buying it all new. So we've got a new diff, axle stubs, all that good stuff. So let me show you what we got. Hopefully this takes care of all our issues. No more welded diff life. GT Pro two-way. I wound up ordering it from actually two different companies. It's a funny story. The first company I ordered it from was actually a fair bit cheaper, so I was, pretty hopeful for it. The day it was supposed to come in, didn't get any updates, checked my order and stuff, and it still said it hadn't even been processed yet. So I called and they were actually out of stock on this particular kit. They would have had to got it from Japan. It would have been 3 to 4 weeks out. Really couldn't wait that long since the G35 is my daily driver. So we wound up going with Z1. They came in clutch as usual. Just a little bit more expensive, but what do you do? So ordered this actually yesterday, and by 5 o'clock I had tracking information. So they are on it on their end. We'll go ahead and bust this box open. I'll show you what all comes in the box. It's a pretty comprehensive kit. You really can't, for the price, you can't beat how much you get with this kit. Some Motul fluid. Can't go wrong with Motul. Really good stuff. So already got our fluids covered. We don't have to buy fluid for it. Another huge plus of this, comes with all of your bolts for your ring gear. Brand new bolts, so we won't have to worry about anything on that front. Seals, bearings, guys. This is the only way to go, if you ask me. I mean, it's just a absolutely complete kit. Some nice stickers, drain plug gasket. Even though I think mine just has a actual. I think mine's just the actual plug itself. So comes with new flanges. This is another really big reason I went with this kit. I kind of messed up. Well, I don't want to say messed up, but I didn't want to reuse the old axle stubs that I had, mainly because this snap ring right here, or this lock ring, whatever you want to call it, had gotten damaged and it broke in half, so I wasn't going to be able to reuse it. And also, from where I was trying to knock it out with the hammer, I impacted the ABS ring a couple times, so that would, I don't know that it would have really affected it enough, but we don't want any issues with the ABS, so I went ahead and got the new axle stubs. And guys, this kit, for what it costs, this kit with everything it includes is about the same price as most other differentials on the market. Sweet little Z1 mouse pad. This is what it's all about right here, boys. Little shop manual. Have to go through that, see if this thing requires a break-in period. I will say this thing's quite a bit heavier than the welded diff. Alright, here's another really nice feature about this differential. We're gonna try and get it to where you guys can see. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but if you go through the passenger side, let's see if it'll focus. I need some light. See that if you're going through the passenger side with a 19 socket, you can kind of adjust how aggressive the lockup characteristics of the differential are. So we're gonna probably go on the least aggressive setting for the street, kind of a street track use. That way it's a little bit less annoying as far as like chatter or anything like that. So hopefully we don't get a lot of that pop in and axle bind like we did with the welded diff. It'll just be nice, smooth, lock up good. Won't have any, you know, real, hopefully it doesn't wear out tires as fast, because I know welded diff kills tires. So yeah guys, that's it pretty much. Just wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys, show you what the solution was to the differential woes that we've been having. Next time you see me, we'll be throwing this thing in, testing it out, all that good stuff. Hopefully there's not a really long break-in cycle on it, and we can get straight to abusing this bad boy. So that's it guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more content, and have a great day.